What is up, guys? It's gonna be a killer chest workout. So, as usual, I start with barbell bench press, incline barbell bench press, which I love doing. So, this was my third set where I go a bit heavy, but look at the form like strict form, just mind muscle connection, slow and steady movements, not rushing into it, just controlling each and every rep. So, that's how you should do it if you are targeting muscle growth. So make sure you do this at first, and then this was a lighter weight. I dropped the weight, and you gotta take those jacket off once your chest is pumped. You gotta show them pecs. You gotta show how ripped you are. You know it increases your strength as well. So this one is my last set where I do it really slow, just focusing on the contraction. And I'm always keeping the tension on my pecs. I'm not fully extending my elbows as well at the top. You can see I'm still keeping it flexed, slow and steady. I'm not thinking of how I'm gonna come up because my friend is there. If I lose all the power in pushing it up, he's gonna lift it up. So all I'm doing is just controlling, controlling, controlling. That's how you should do it.
You off my mind.
So this is the second exercise, incline dumbbell flies. So I'm targeting more towards incline these days because I'm lacking my upper pecs. So I'm doing a lot of incline movements. So even in this, you can see slow and steady movements. Talk to the muscle, slow and steady. Don't focus too much on the weight. Yes, you should have a moderate weight, but not too heavy that you lose your focus. So this is like ideal weight for me where I can get a good contraction and I go to failure. I always go to failure. So I had 2 days off, which we had an arm day, had some good rest, got my energy back, came back stronger. So now we are doing incline. We did all incline, just getting that good incline pecs because everyone lacks incline. So I'm gonna have like the best upper pecs. That's my goal. So this is like the third set, and we're gonna go for like a pretty high reps. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. Decline dumbbell press. This is also one of my favorite chest movements because if you're doing it really slow on the decline, you can really feel your mid pecs tearing, like you can feel it stretching all the way. You might be able to see in this where the movement of my pecs slow and steady, like you get a crazy pump in this. I like doing this slow because when I'm doing it a bit faster with heavier weights, I don't feel my pecs. So I always go with the feel, always go with the feel, because different people have different feels. Some people might feel it when they're doing it faster, some people might feel it when they're doing it slower. You got to find what works best for you and you got to stick with it, but don't forget to try everything out. Dumbbell incline flies, targeting the upper pecs, just getting a good stretch and the striations. If you want that perfect chest, solid looking chest, do this. Dumbbell incline flies. Flies is one of the best movements where you should always incorporate in your chest workout. Dumbbell flies. No machine can substitute this exercise because it makes your chest fully expand, stretch all those muscle fibers, get a good stretch, and then contract it all the way up. Just a pro tip in this: when you're doing flies, don't touch the dumbbells at the top. Like, make it almost touch, but don't touch it. And then get a good stretch at the bottom. Keep your form perfect. See, I'm going up lower, really low, and then all the way up. Stretch and up. Focus. It's all about mind muscle connection. It's all about mind muscle connection. You can have a normal workout without mind muscle connection where you don't see any results, but with mind muscle connection, it's going to be a crazy result. So yeah, that's it for a chest workout. uh, I'll be uploading the next video within like 2-3 days. Thanks guys for watching this.